Your 5-year staking plan. A balanced, diversified strategy using £100 per month. 1. Split your monthly £100 into 3 tiers. This keeps things stable, while still giving you exposure to higher yield staking. Tier 1 Stability 40%. Ethereum ETH £25. Cardano ADA £15. These are your sleep well assets. Lower APY, but strong long-term networks. Tier 2 Growth 35%. Solana SOL £20. Polkadot £15. Higher APY plus strong ecosystems. Tier 3 High Yield 25%. Tezos XTZ £10. Cosmos Atom £15. These give you the biggest compounding boost. What this mix achieves: ETH plus ADA, stability plus long-term credibility. SOL plus DOT, strong APY plus active ecosystems. XTZ plus Atom, high compounding rewards. This blend avoids overexposure to any single chain. Your staking strategy: simple plus effective. 1. Automate everything. Set up recurring buys for each coin. Then stake immediately after purchase. Automation removes emotion and inconsistency. 2. Reinvest rewards monthly. Every staking reward, no matter how small, gets restaked. This is where compounding becomes powerful. 3. Review allocations every 6 months. Ask yourself, is one coin outperforming heavily? Is one coin underperforming or losing relevance? Do you want to increase stability or increase yield? Adjust by 10 to 20%, not more. 4. Keep everything staked for the full 5 years. Staking works best when untouched. Avoid panic selling, chasing hype, switching coins too often. Consistency beats timing. 5. Track your progress quarterly. Use a simple tracker. Amount invested, rewards earned, total value, APY per coin. This keeps you motivated and informed. Expected 5-year outcome, staking only. With this diversified plan, your £100 per month becomes roughly £6,000 invested, £7,200 to £8,000 total value, £1,200 to £2,000 in staking rewards, depending on APYs and compounding. Why this plan works for you? Because you love structure, modular systems, clear categories, long-term planning, practical, beginner-friendly explanations. This plan is modular, scalable, and easy to maintain.